Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I thought I would just do a mini beauty sesh and show you guys what I do on my daily routine when it comes down to putting my face on. Um, so we'll start by, well, first putting my hair up. So let me just grab a scrunchie and and this is what I do literally every morning. Um, and just to let you guys know, I did do my eyebrows ahead of time. I use Anastasia pomade, the deep brown pomade. So I usually just draw them on every morning. And then if I'm not wearing cover up, like a full coverage cover up, which I use this, the Tarte full coverage. If I don't use that, I love using my Bali Body BB cream. It has some coverage on it and it is SPF approved. So 15 is the SPF. But if you're looking for a SPF that is stronger for your face, I would recommend maybe Supergoop. It's an everyday lotion and it's 50. The SPF is 50, which I find is really good. I like to put SPF even underneath my makeup or cover up. But right now, I'm just going to put on my Bali Body, which I'm almost empty on. So I'm kind of like scrounging around right now for it. All right. So I usually just put it on like my two fingers if I'm using this and just kind of go on my face nicely. It's early morning, so good morning. And I might need a little bit more to cover my neck and my forehead. Oh, see, a little bit of color there. I love putting sunscreen on my neck. We all forget to put the sunscreen on our neck, which is not good. And it's funny, like my body is really dark compared to my face. It's really funny. All right, so that's done. And as you know, I have dark circles, like horrendous dark circles. Hereditary. So what I like to do is I like to go in and put some concealer on. I use Tarte and it looks like this, the creaseless one, and I use medium. So I go in there. There you go. Goodbye, dark circles. And then I have this little dot right there from a bad piercing. The story on that is my cousin and I, we guess we used to experiment when we were a lot younger, and we used an ear gun for my nose. That was fun. We literally shoved it up my nose to pierce it, and it. I used an old Claire's earring. Obviously, that didn't have like a silver protectant or something on it, so it kind of like tarnished in my nose, and that is why I have a green tinge in that spot. To be young and reckless. So I'm just going in right now with the beauty sponge and I'm just kind of blotting kind of like around my eye and blending it. And because I don't use cover up, I have to also be careful of that big white, circle around the eyes. So I like to just go all the way around and kind of blot it down to kind of blend. Um, yeah, that's how I do it. See? Circles are gone. Not yet, not just yet. Okay, so this is my sister Jade. She taught me this. So Nyx has like this HD Studio um, concealer that you just put on it. It's supposedly to get rid of like purple or dark spots, and I only put just a little bit because it brightens the eye. And I just kind of just go in there and blot it again on top. See, look at that. It's gone. And so that's what I do for my big dark circles. And you know how they're hereditary. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. All right. Bam. All right. So now I go in with Fenty Beauty, and it's the it's a little stick, which is pretty awesome. And I just go in here and go right there. And yes, I make that sound every time I do this. No, just kidding. So yeah, I just put the bronze there just to contour. So what I do is I use the other side of my beauty blender, and I just kind of just move it up and just kind of, I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist, just so you guys know. I'm just going with the flow, and I learned this through videos and life experiences, and it's just what I do. And again, I'm just going in there, kind of dragging it up to the side, just kind of blending it out so it's not that dark line. Right, I think that's good. Yeah, give me a little contour. All right, so now what I like to do is I like to go in and put a little bit of powder on just to set everything. So I like to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I just grab my brush and, all right. So I go right underneath the eyes. I don't like to bake too hard where I put like a load of it and then just it's completely white. I just kind of brush it on and just kind of get rid of my shine from the SPF that I put on, because some people like the whole glow. Some people love the glow, but I kind of like the matte finish. And I have like oily combination skin, so I get it in the T-zone. All right, so the translucent powder is now on. And then I like to go in and top with my bronzer. So I love my bronzer. I really do. I love bronzer. All right, so I'm using my Anastasia bronzer powder. And I'm just going to brush up excess, just kind of fluff it off and go in. I don't shy away from my bronzer. Nope. And kind of brush it up on my cheekbone. And this Sephora brush is really soft. I like to put it on my nose, some of my big forehead. And then I'd like to put some right here, give my jawbone a little bit definition. All right, so that is my glow. And now, last but not least, no, I don't want to forget this. So I also like to put some of the bronzer right inside my eyelid, not inside my eyelid. It's impossible. On my eyelid, and just to give it a little bit of definition as well, and to make it look like I have eyelids, you know? Gotta do that. And I just use a basic fluffer brush and go in there. Okay. All right. See, all natural. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler because I love my eyelash curlers. I really do. My eyelashes go downwards, so it's kind of nice to give them a nice lift, you know? So, just gonna use my mirror so I don't poke myself. All right. And I just use it or keep it on for like 3 seconds and it works. So now I'm gonna use my mascara, which is the Benefit Mascara, and go in there. So for me, I don't like to put mascara at the bottom lashes because I have a tendency to notice that it kind of melts on my face, which I don't like. All right. I have yet to find a good mascara that is completely like waterproof or drool proof. I like waterproof mascara because, you know, it doesn't come off and it stays on, but it's really hard to get off unless you have like an oil-based makeup remover. All right, so that is the finished product. Boom. So this is what I do every morning. It takes me about 10 minutes to do. And then I sometimes curl my hair. Boom, that's it. So I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, you guys like it? So if you guys like my video, please like below. If you guys would like to subscribe or even comment below, I'd really like to hear your comments. Yeah, so I guess I will see you guys next week. Bye, everyone.